So hello people, welcome back. In this video we will see view tab detailed features. So the first feature is redraw. What does it mean? Let's activate the blip mode first. Blip mode means if you click anywhere with the left button of your mouse, points form up, and when I click on redraw, they disappear. It helps to remove unwanted points. I will deactivate blip mode for now. Next option is regen. It means regeneration. But before we move further, I will set up the page. After the page setup, I will select the circle and draw 10-meter diameter. After that, I will type Z enter, extends enter. It zooms the object. As you can see here, this is not a perfect circle. There are some edges around like a penta or hexagon. To fix this error, we use regeneration of model. The next option is zoom. Real time means free-handed zoom. Previous means it's like undo for zoom. Dynamic zoom means it forms a rectangle and portion of this rectangle gets zoomed in. Object zoom means the selected object gets zoomed. Center means it zooms the center of the page. And then the window zoom means, for example, I'll draw something and click on the window zoom. It means you can create a window and zoom. Next is pan. You can move your drawing to any part of the page. You can also do it with the mouse scroll wheel button by holding and moving it. We can change it from here too. First, I will take a 3D shape pyramid. Pyramid of 10 meter base and 20 height. The next feature of the View tab is Orbit. What does this mean? Orbit have 3 types: constrained, free, and continuous orbit. Constrained orbit means we can check each view by free-handed, as you can see here. Top, left, right, bottom, every view we can watch. The next is free orbit. We can move object to any angle inside the circle. I will draw a random box here. The last orbit view is continuous. It automatically rotates after once clicked. Next is camera and create camera. I will place a camera near pyramid. Shows the view of the location where the camera is placed. You can see the red line here. It helps to move left to right. Green line helps to view close and far look. Blue is for top and bottom angle. The next is walk and fly. Rather explaining, watch the screen, you'll get to know. I can move it with arrow keys. The red point is my location and the green is pyramid's location. With the use of arrow keys, I can move it. Next option is fly. It's as same as walk. You can view it from a certain height. Clean screen means full screen. It's like a full screen mode. Let's go back to 2D. The next option is viewport. For example, I have a drawing here, but measurements are tiny. For that, I will divide the screen with the viewport, but with two same drawings. On right part I will keep elevation and the left part I will keep plan. The definition of a viewport goes like this. A viewport is a window, mostly in layout space, that allows you to display your model space. For the next option, we'll head back to 3D again. I will take a cylinder of random measurement. Next is 3D views. Here are ready-made views provided by Autocad. In new view, you can set your view made by you. Hide, it means it hides region command. Visual style means to show or not your 3D drawing with inside lines. 3D hidden means we cannot see inside lines. 3D wireframe means we can see the inside lines. In display, only useful feature is UCS icon. It always displays at the left side of the screen. We can change its color too. And lastly remains render. It renders the movement and the picture of the diagram. All details of rendering the image are shown to right. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.